Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to draw and color the family. First we paint mom. We paint the face, eyes. Now we draw the nose, mouth. We paint the hair. Now we paint the body. Now baby. We paint the face, eyes, mouth. Please like and subscribe my channel. We draw the dress, legs. Now shoes. We paint the girl. We draw the face, ears, eyes, the nose, mouth. We paint the hair. We draw the dress. Legs. Now shoes. Good job. We paint the brother. We paint the hair, ears, eyes, the nose, mouth. Now we paint the body. T-shirt. Please like and subscribe my channel. Now shoes. Finally we paint the father, ears, eyes, the nose, mouth. We paint the hair. Now we paint the body. Belt. Now shoes. Now we make the painting beautiful with magic. Let's start coloring. Light orange. Violet. Green. Light orange. Light pink. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Red. Brown. Yellow. Dark blue. Blue. Brown. Dark blue. Light blue. Watch the next video.